to my kitchen. I hope you guys are doing well. I am about to make some banana bread, and then I've got the English breakfast muffin things that I'm going to make. This is like the 5th or 6th week now that I'm going to be making it, and the boys still love it. They're not complaining. So that is what on today's things I need to get done. Baby is awake. He is in the movie room with Chris, so I don't have a lot of time, and I've got all these bananas that are ripening because of the weather here in Brisbane. Things just don't last. These are bananas that the boys were going to eat, but it was too ripe for them to eat. So put that in here. Yeah, I am making this recipe. I've made it so many times. It's so easy, and it's just one of those recipes that I like fail-proof. I love a good fail-proof recipe. Yeah, and my sourdough starter is going really well. It is day 7 of my sourdough starter. Then I've got one more day tomorrow to check on it, and hopefully it should be done, and then I can start my sourdough making journey. That will be interesting, so stay tuned for that if you want to see how it goes, because we shall see. I'm hoping that it becomes a thing. Anyway, there is a sourdough tradition that once you make your sourdough starter, you name your sourdough starter. So I'm gonna name ours maybe the Campy sourdough starter or something like that. And then apparently there are people that have sourdough starters from like their great grandma, their great nonna, whatever. I was reading like a bunch of forums online, and I thought, how cool is that? Like, you have a sourdough starter and you just pass it down generation to generation. So hopefully I can do that for the boys. We shall see. I'm getting ahead of myself, I know. We haven't yet tried making sourdough, so we'll see how it all goes. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse because I feel like I've shown you this banana bread recipe so many times, but I will leave the recipe down below. It's my mom's recipe. It is so good. In case I've never mentioned, my mom is also a really big baker. Growing up, she always used to bake for us, all on birthday cakes, treats. Till today, she's always baking. So yeah, I'm gonna share her recipe down below. I hope you guys make it and like it. Let's cue the time lapse. It is, because it's November, I feel like I can start pulling out my Christmas decorations. So Chris is home, and I'm gonna get him to help me. We're gonna go downstairs. I'll take you along. We've got a storage area, like a laundry room we don't really use, and we've shoved all the things that we don't use throughout the year in there. It's like a storage unit basically. And all our Christmas decorations is there with all the spiders. It's a very spidery spot if you ask me. So I'm gonna get Chris to go down, and we're gonna go bring up all our Christmas decorations so we can start decorating. It is gonna take me, I reckon, to get the house like perfect, exactly how I want it. Not perfect, but like to my liking, takes me a good month. Like, that's why I prefer decorating a month earlier, because then by December, you know, I've kind of changed my mind, put things and see how it works, and it's just house just looks magical and beautiful. I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday of the year. Absolutely love it. The boys love it. We do lots around Christmas. So yes. Okay, come first because there's spiders.
There's no spiders. I've just been in there. I've been all over the top.
I might approach you.
What do you want to get ready?
I want to pull out some of the decorations.
Dead spider.
See?
The
dead.
Decorations. I just grabbed. I think it's all this stuff here.
This box.
This one.
Box.
Yeah.
This box. Hello. I need to fill up my car. We are on our way to the shops. Baby is in the back. Let me show you. the little camera from Amazon, car camera. It's really good. Anyway, I am gonna get driving, and then actually I need to call Chris from TK Maxx. And if I look tired, it is because I am feeling exhausted. Honestly, I think I'm going to have a nap soon. But I picked up from TK Maxx some new stockings. We only have 5 and I needed a new one for baby and Chris and I think I threw out some really old ones. And I really love this tartan, so I got 2 tartan ones. In fact, that ties in with my theme this Christmas. What I'm going to be doing on my tree is more of a tartan theme. So I've got these tartan ribbons from Amazon and I'm going to do bows for my tree. And then at TK Maxx, they don't have it anymore, but a few weeks ago I had gone in with Chris and they had these wrapping paper, and that's what kind of like inspired or gave me the idea of going tartan and like Ralph Lauren style Christmas, because I really love the wrapping paper. So that's what I'm going to do.